Good day everyone, and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to teach you guys how to produce hair relaxer, a very good and effective hair relaxer. You know those hair relaxers you see at home or you see at hairdressing salons or at supermarkets. I want to teach you guys how to produce your own. You can literally learn this skill, start producing relaxers, and you start making a lot of money. So I will teach you guys how this is done. We'll just go straight into the production process of how to produce hair relaxers. Over here are my chemicals or my ingredients I'll be using. This is my emulsifying wax. I'm making use of 100 grams. I'm pouring it straight into my stainless pot. Next is my paraffin oil. I'm also making use of 100 grams. So I'm pouring it into the pot containing my emulsifying wax. Then this is my cetyl alcohol. I'm making use of 100 grams also. I'm making use of a lot of wax. This is my beeswax. I've used the emulsifying wax, I've used the cetyl alcohol, I've used the beeswax. And this is my stearic acid. Stearic acid behaves like a wax also. So right now I've added like 4 wax. Stearic acid, beeswax, emulsifying wax, and cetyl alcohol. The next is my petroleum jelly or petroleum gel. I'm making use of 130 grams. So I'm going to put all this on fire and melt them. I'll put it on fire till it melts. Once it has melted, I'll bring it down. I'm done melting the wax with the oil. Next is my water. I'm making use of 500 grams of water. That is my glycerin. I've added 200 grams of glycerin to the water. And this is my EDTA. I'm making use of 20 grams. I'm going to boil the water with my glycerin and EDTA inside. I'll boil it. Once the water starts boiling, I will take it off the gas or the cooker. So I'll leave this till it boils. Once it boils, I will take it down. If you observe, you'll notice it is boiling. So I think it's time for me to take it off the cooker. So my water has boiled and my wax and oil is very hot. My wax and oil is very hot, it's still very hot, and my water has boiled. So my water is hot, my wax and oil is hot. I will mix the both of them together now. That is my wax containing my oils too. That one is very hot. I've mixed the both of them together. I will now start the process. So you can check the video description, this video description, for a link to join my online class if you wish to be a partaker or you want to learn how to make soap and other skincare products like the organic soap, the body cream, the detergent, the liquid soap, hair shampoo, hair conditioner. There's a lot of things you'll learn there. Just join the class or you reach me through this phone number. You either check the link of this video to join the class or you reach me through this phone number. Now, when you click to join that link, you will see something like request to join. You click on the request to join, then I will accept the request to join. Just click on the link, you will see something like request to join. You click on request to join, I will accept the request. This is my SLS, also known as sodium lauryl sulfate. It's a foaming agent. I will add it alongside another foaming agent, which is a Texapon. So I'm making use of SLS 50 grams, Texapon 50 grams. I want my relaxer to also produce leather. I want it to foam when I'm using it to wash the hair. So you can see relaxer is not actually hard to produce. It's easy. You can learn this skill at home and start producing your own. Just follow the steps I'll be using in this video and you'll start producing your own wonderful and good relaxers. If you want the relaxer to have olive oil, then you substitute the paraffin oil and use olive oil. If you want your relaxer to have coconut oil in it, then you substitute the paraffin oil that I use and use coconut oil instead. So if you can actually customize your relaxer, you can play with it, choose the ingredients you want. If there's an ingredient you don't like if you're not a fan of paraffin oil, you can use olive oil, coconut oil. You can even use sunflower oil. There are varieties of oils out there you can choose from. If you don't want to use paraffin oil in your hair relaxer, you can use any other oil of your choice. You can even use palm oil if you want to produce your relaxer with palm oil. All you need to do is to bleach the palm oil, remove the red color from it, and use it. Now we are going to add the active ingredient, which is the caustic soda. This is an active ingredient that is in all relaxers. It's called caustic soda. In most places it's called lye. Another name for it is called sodium hydroxide. This is an active ingredient in all hair relaxers that you know. When you apply hair relaxer, you notice that it actually bites the hair. It bites. That biting sensation is caused by the caustic soda, and that is what relaxes the hair. That is what enables the relaxing of your hair. So you don't be scared when you see me adding caustic soda in my production. All hair relaxers has this ingredient in it. That is why relaxer has that biting sensation, because there is caustic in it. So you just simply dissolve the caustic with water, then pour it into your production. It's as simple as that, and you are good to go. Then lastly, I have ebooks available. If you need my ebook, you can reach me through this phone number on WhatsApp to purchase the ebook. My ebooks is very, very loaded. It has a lot of step-by-step formulation on how to produce a lot of things that I teach. It has them in written form. It also has information on how to purchase the NAFDAC number. It has addresses of where to buy chemicals or purchase chemicals in different states in Nigeria. So it's a very loaded ebook, has a lot of productions in it. So reach me on the phone number to purchase it. So I'm done producing my relaxer. I'm scooping into my containers. This is very simple and easy. So if you want to learn how to produce your own relaxer, you can follow this method. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video so that you can rank up in the search algorithm. Like this video so that it ranks in the search algorithm. You help me to rank in the search algorithm so that YouTube can send these videos to others. Once you like this video, YouTube has a way of making it reach a larger audience, so that a lot of persons that want to learn how to make videos like this, learn how to make hair relaxers, we'll learn. So thank you for watching, and see you guys next time on my next video. Goodbye.